notice today that my overlanding rack for my truck has showed up. Now to put it together, build it, and get it ready for my tent. That should be here later this afternoon. Well, here it is, the first opening of my box for my rack. Well, this does look packaged really well. All kinds of styrofoam in here. Everything's bubble wrapped. Nice and tightly packed. Everything looks good. Underneath the bubble wrap, I see that there's some really thick rubbery foam type stuff wrapped around everything. Actually looks really good the way they wrap all this. So the first piece I pulled out looks really good. There's no scratches, no dents. The powder coating looks amazing on this. So far I'm quite impressed with the product. So the only thing I noticed with this so far is there's a little bit of holes in the bags of hardware, so hopefully everything is in there and I don't have to go looking for it. So far the packaging has been top notch. Here's the second layer that I found. Everything is bubble wrapped, just foam between everything. So far it's been great. So right on these pieces that we got to put together, they actually have a left and a right stamped right on them. Here on the bottom, as you can see. So it takes a lot of the guesswork out of it. So here I have the first 5 pieces set up to join together. What I need to do is I need to take this piece, slide it into here, then I gotta bolt it on this side, and there's another bolt for this side, and I gotta do that 6 times to get this first piece all set up. So now that I got my side pieces all laid out, there's an adhesive tape that you got to put on the end of these rails, right over top of these 2 holes here on each side, and then we can bolt it together. So I just finished setting up the one side. There's 4 holes that you have to drill into the box to get this mounted on. So I measured it and centered it on the box. It's looking pretty good. And here it is, the first piece mounted onto the truck. I now have both sides put onto the truck. Now I'm getting ready to set the top on. Well, here it is. My rack is now complete. Looks really good on the truck. Took a little bit of time to get it on, but it's on. My tent has arrived. Now it's time to open it up and see what it looks like. Well, here's my tent out of the box. This was well packaged. Nice wooden crate these come in. So far everything looks good, and we'll keep on packaging. Got my tent put on the truck, set it up. It was so easy, and it's looking good. Here's my setup for our journey to Prince Rupert. It's looking really good. It's gonna be way better than sleeping on the ground.